Hi everyone, I hope you guys are all doing well. I am doing a house tour since I am going to be moving, I think in about 3 weeks, or is it 2 weeks? I'm moving out of this place just because it's way too big for us and half the time the kids aren't with me. They're with their dad. So I'll do a house tour and here it goes. Here is the front door right here. And this is what you see when you come in. Right now I have this here, my little stand for when I come in, for my kids and all, to remind us that we need to clean our hands. So this is the foyer. We have a stand, like a little sitting area right here, like that's a church chair, bench, and this heads up upstairs. Still have the decoration right there for Easter. So right when you look to the right is the front room. So I have a fireplace right there, a copier that I use for work and personal stuff too, so it's really helpful. So this is the front. Have a little desk here which my daughter uses, but it's there most of the time as a computer. And when we turn around, this is where I keep my workout stuff. My dumbbells are right there and my bands and stuff are right here. We go, here is the living room. As you can see, that front room right here, I hardly use that, including this space right here. Sorry, it might be a little too dark. I don't use this either, but here is the TV room. There you go. And the window back there is the backyard. Right here is the backyard. Let's see. There's a tree right there, pretty Christmas tree, that's what I call it. And there. So the reason I'm moving, because this house is so big. I have separated from my ex already, we're divorced. And I got this house afterwards. And, you know, half the time the kids are with their dad and half the time the kids are with me. So pretty much most of this house I don't use. I use pretty much the kitchen, this is the kitchen. So I have a little desk area here. These are my kids drawing right here, or no, actually it's my daughter. She likes to draw, and this is the type of drawing she likes to do. Right here, and I like this saying right here, which is so true. Don't carry your mistake around with you. Instead, place them under your feet and use them as stepping stones. Here you go. And this is the kitchen. So this is where I mostly hang out. It's the kitchen. I do when I work, I sit here, put my laptop right here. Whatever, this is where I sit. So this is the other sliding door right here to the backyard. There you go. So as I was saying, and then so here is where I hang out. Mostly my room. And my bathroom, the master bathroom and the master bedroom pretty much is where I hang out. There you go. Got a little island right here. And this is the sitting area. Even here, I rarely sit here. Hopefully this would not make you guys dizzy. I have filmed here before. This is my cat's here's my cat that you hear once in a while. He likes to talk. I only have one cat. I just put his bed here, but he pretty much just sits everywhere on this chairs, wherever he wants to. So this is the other view on the other side. So this is the half a bathroom. Looks like that. There's, like I told you, there's so many rooms in this house that we don't use. Here is the laundry room. Obviously this one I use. Just like that. The kitty cat toilet is in there too. This is the neighbor's view of their house next door. And like I said, with this house, we pretty much just hang out. My kids just hang out in the room or in the living room. Once in a while, they'll go there and hang out. Or they would go to the kitchen. But yeah, so we don't need all the space in this house. Go upstairs. Here is the upstairs. Just like that. Going upstairs. The first room with a door open is my bedroom. The second one here is my oldest son. Right here is the bathroom. This is a closet. That's my daughter's room. And the last one is my son. So my daughter, pretty much when she's here, she sleeps with me. And half the time, my son sleeps with me as well. So here we'll go look at the front of the house. This is how it looks. It's raining right now. I have another tree right here. It's a big Christmas tree. It's really nice during Christmas time because there are lights on it. So this is how the road looks out in the front. So we'll start with my son's room. This is my middle son. This is his room. Don't know why it's having a hard time focusing. So that's his closet right there. And this is the other side of his room. We'll try to make this as quick as possible just so it's not so long. And then when you look at it, it looks like this from the other side of the hallway. Right here is my daughter's room. Right there, she's got her dollhouse. This is her closet. Right there. Okay. Closing the door. Closet, just linen and towel stuff really. This is the bathroom. There's a bathtub right there. And there you go. Self-explanatory. How do you say that? Am I saying that right? This is my oldest son's room. Right there. Those are his pictures when he was younger. It's his room. Desk. His closet. And let me move back quickly. This is the other side view. Now going to my room. This is my room. Right there. We'll look out the window so you can see the view. It's raining outside right now. There you go. And this are my closets right here. And this is my bathroom. Just like this. This is where I get ready. Hello. Right there. So this, I will miss all the storage in here because the house that I'm moving to doesn't have as much storage space, so I have to buy a bunch of stuff. So this is what you see out in the front. This is the front door right there. And we're gonna go down, which is the basement. Basement! Oh my gosh. This, we never go here. Hardly go here. Go down, you turn. Right there is the basement. These are just a bunch of boxes for moving. So it's in those plastic wraps so they don't collapse on its own. These are my stuff here. These are my son's stuff. And okay, so this is kind of like the foyer stuff. There's a room right here. This is my makeup room. And when you go right here, this is my office. And when you turn around, that is a closet right there. And this are the kids' playroom, which they hardly go to. So you can see there's a sitting area right here. This turns into a bed. That one I'm gonna have to get rid of, I think. There's a fireplace. That definitely has to go. My daughter doesn't want it. So these are their Lego stuff and my daughter's things as well. But this is that side. That TV as well is going to go. This is the other side of the room. And then you go here. This is the little closet. Turn on the light. There you go. For sure I will miss these storage space. Here is my makeup room. These are all covered because it's oh, the house is gonna get sold and I just don't want people to know how much makeup I have. But these are all makeup right here. Right there, right here. There's one behind the door here as well. Hello. And right here is a closet. It's mostly my stuff. There's more makeup in there as well. And my purses. I love purses as well. And they're here and up on the very, very top. And there you go. So these are, I don't even know what I put in here. But yeah, like stuff I need to organize. More purses, I think, and random things. More purses. Holy guacamole. Yeah, these I don't know what I'm going to do with. This I'm going to do a video on. That's why it's right there. And so right here, we're going to go to the office. I was gonna have this as my filming room. Never happened. I was, like I said, I do all my stuff upstairs in the kitchen. That's where I pretty much hang out. But this was gonna be my filming room. That desk is going to go. And these two right here are more makeup. Right there is more makeup. This is more makeup right here. And we've filmed some videos here before with my son. So right here. Here's another storage right there full of video equipment and stuff. I've put away the nether lights right here, but there was like a light thing over this way. And over here is another room. Oh no, actually it's the bathroom that I've probably used twice. So this is a full bathroom with a bathtub in there. This is how it looks. Excuse my cat. I can hear him meow. Hopefully you can't hear him. Here is the storage right here. But as you can see, this is underneath the stairs. Oh my gosh, that's where he is. Come on, you need to go. There. That's why he's meowing. There, more storage, and yeah. That is the reason why I am moving, because this house is too big for me. Way too big for half the time. It's just me here. And basement, like I said, I don't use, but I do have my stuff in there. Upstairs, I use the kitchen, my room, and the master bathroom. That's it. So I need to downsize, and I'm going to be moving in about, I think, 3 weeks. I'll be out of here in this house, and I will show you the other house. But I'm gonna be really busy. We're painting the house. I want it painted, and I'm cleaning it. Since I'm a clean freak, I have to clean it from top to bottom, so it feels like my own place. And I will have a tour with that too. Hope you guys enjoy this, and I will talk to you later. Bye.